Okay, so guys, mag-withdraw na naman tayo. Let's go to Shopback. Up na to. Okay, open. Yan. So, ito talaga yung total earnings ko. Pero nakapag-withdraw na ako before. And then, dito, meron na tayong naipon na $10.38. Kasi ang minimum withdrawal natin is $10. So, pwede tayo mag-withdraw. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ito may 27.28 ako dati. So, ayun. Naka-cashback ako dati ng 16.17. Ayan, tapos sabi niya, available to redeem ay 10.38 and meron pa akong track or subject to confirmation 0.73. So, paano ba mag-withdraw? Let's go here. Dito tayo sa account and your available cashback. And then, click mo yung withdraw. So, ayan, 10.38 and minimum withdrawal amount is $10. And then, nailagay naman natin dyan ang ating bank details. Scroll down. And then, you need to enter amount. 10.38. Yan. And then, withdraw. Verify it's you. Before we process your request, please verify it's you so we can keep your account secure. And then, click the verify via mobile number. And then, click allow. So, verification code sent. Let's wait for the message. 004962. 62. Okay. So, withdrawal successful. We've received your request. Your cashback should arrive in your account within 10 calendar days. During public holiday periods, this process might take a bit longer and will always be completed within 10 working days. Okay, so ayan na siya, processing na. Thank you for watching.